Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel once again, and my name is Javi. In this video, I wanted to dive into some breath work. Breathing has been one of the most beneficial things in my experience when it comes to being clear in my mind, dropping directly into my present moment, gaining just peace, relaxation, and releasing a lot of anxiety and fears, and mainly just getting rid of the mind and coming into your being. It also has so many beneficial other aspects to it, like our immune system, our vitality. It is the one single thing that keeps us going. If you stop breathing, technically this body will end. So we're gonna do a couple breathing exercises, and hopefully this helps you out in whatever it is that you want to clear. I'm gonna just do a couple breaths, and you can do these at your own time, or you can follow with me on this video. It is preferably okay to just be in a relaxed physical posture state, but breathing, you're not gonna go wrong no matter what you're at or how you're doing it. How I do it is I just take deep breaths as much as I can inhale, and then I exhale as far as I can. Then what I do in the second one, I'll take a deep breath as much as I can inhale and hold it for as long as I can, and then just exhale as much as I can. I'll do this 3 times, and then I'll come back to you. So you will notice as you're doing this, you will start to see your focus and attention go straight to your breath. You will inevitably be forced to leave your thoughts, leave whatever's going on in your day. You will instantly just drop into your awareness and your pure self. One also thing that this does is it just charges your body, it charges your immune system, and it expands your aura, and all the health benefits of it come with it as well. Thank you much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and until the next video, Namaste, Amitabha, all is love. Peace.